Hello to everybody. I welcome everyone on the channel legalone.uae. Today I would like to have a short brief in regards to the labor relationship, and especially specifically the point if the labor contract is not registered. It happens often in the UAE when you have an offer letter and after you start your work, your labor contract is not registered, for example, for some certain period of time, or you were working on your private visa and you didn't obtain a work permit, which is not legal and not correct. However, in practice it happens. And during, for example, some certain period of time, the person can be terminated from the side of the company, or the person decided to resign himself. Then the legal question arises if this contract is legal and valid, and if it's possible to claim, for example, for certain dues if you are on the side of the worker, or to claim, for example, for some compensation or some breach if you're from the side of the company. So here I would like to highlight that yes, in theory it is possible if there was a employment contract between the parties, if there was an offer letter signed by both parties with the certain details, the details of both parties, the salary, the position, the time, and other terms and conditions. Yes, it is possible. However, as the contract was not properly registered in the Ministry of Labor and, for example, or in the designated free zone, then you will have to possibly go to the civil court to claim your rights. Depends from which party you are presenting from. So it is possible, and it is legally also happens in the UAE. The civil court will definitely take a judgment in the case, depends on the complex of the case, depends on request, and also depends on the terms and conditions of the employment contract or an offer letter. And based on the claim, will take a certain decision that will be binding on the parties. Depends on the amount. Also, it is possible to appeal or no. So in each case it is different. However, if the contract even was not registered, both parties still have a right after the termination or resignation to make a certain claim, depending on the request and the type. I hope that this video will be helpful for each and everyone if you are, for example, working in UAE, or if you are on the side of the company and you would like to also protect your rights. I hope it will be helpful. Stay safe, take care. You can always get in touch with the channel Legal One on the email legalone.uae, or on the Facebook, Instagram through messages. Stay safe, take care, and goodbye.